Good day, guys. Now, this is what we'll be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY for the day. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do it. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comment, and also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section. So when you see this on our Swiss franc JPY, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. It is very much clear that market is trending upward. Now, if you see this, this is the impulsive move. Within this impulsive move, there was a series of higher than higher low. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe, click on that subscribe button. Within this impulsive move, there are a series of higher than higher low. Then here comes the corrective pullback wave, which is a series of lower low and a lower high. Then here comes the impulsive move, which is a series of higher than higher low. Then the corrective phase, which is our pullback, now our impulsive move, and now we are in the pullback phase. So what market is going to be doing here, which is on our Swiss franc JPY, we will be expecting Swiss franc JPY to give us one more bullish move, whereby we are expecting another impulsive move upward. So bullish move is what we'll be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. We should be hoping for the buy. Now, could there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. But if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share.